Hey there, I just wanted to share with you a quick little mod I did for my Chromebook Pixel. Freaking awesome computer, super happy with it. I freaking love this thing. But basically, when you buy a Chromebook Pixel, the keyboard I had a couple problems with. My main gripe was since I'm used to using a Mac, the Alt key, which is right here, is usually the Command where when I place my thumb, and if I want to open a new tab in Chrome, I basically just Command T on my MacBook. But on here, it's a little bit different. The Control, which on a Mac would similarly, which would be the Command key, is all the way kind of in the back corner. So I have to do this awkward Edward Scissorhand type of thing to kind of make that new tab open. So you're probably already aware that you can go into your Chrome settings and switch it up. And basically, if you already have a window open, you can just hit the settings box in the top right, head over to your settings, and you'll be able to go to keyboard settings right here, and you can switch them, which I've already done. So this way, when you hit the Alt button, it acts just like the Control button. These two are switched. But when somebody looks at your keyboard, obviously it still says Alt. So what I actually did is I switched the keys just to make it a little bit easier for everyone using the computer and myself. Plus, I'm just a neat freak like that, I guess. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So I already did this side, but I'm going to do this side real quick, which is, it takes a little bit more time, but pretty easy. So basically what you do is you're going to pop open just a crevice, just enough to kind of get your hand in there. And on the side, there's these two metal retaining clips that actually run along the edge, the entire key on this side and on the other Control key. And they're on kind of this hinge, so when you open it up, I'm not sure if you can see it, but basically there's this hinge right here, this metal clip, and I'm just going to press it down. You can use your finger. And when you press it down, it just kind of snaps out of the key itself, just like so. There we go. So I've unclipped it. And you can use your fingers to kind of get in there. Just takes a little bit of time trying to do it one-handed. But as you can see, I've kind of lifted down the metal retaining clip, and there's going to be one more on the opposite side, so just pop that down and just run along the side. Alright, I think I've gotten all the clips, and we're going to run my fingernail all around the key just to pop out any. Alright, yep, got it. Cool, so when you lift it up now, you can kind of see that the retaining clip is down. The only thing holding it in now are these two little white right there. So what all you have to do is go to the bottom edge and pop it up. There we go, that one's done. And we'll just go to this one now. Come over here, and again you can kind of see this little clip right there. Just get your screwdriver flathead underneath that, and you can lift it right up. Alright, just take your time, make sure you don't bend the key or anything. Just takes a little bit of effort, but you can pop it up. Just a little white clip. Oh, there we go, and the key is popped off. There we go. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to set that aside. Now we just got to do the other one. Alright, metal clip. You can hear the popping. Alright, so since the metal clip, let's see if I can give you a better view right there. Alright. There we go. As you can see, kind of the metal clips right there. So I popped them down. And I found it a little bit easier, actually, if you just kind of grab the side and run your fingers across. You can actually just pop them all down. You can hear them popping. Alright, and again, now all the metal retaining clip has been removed. And now the only thing left holding it on are these white keyboard clips. And again, like I said, the smaller ones, much easier because they don't have the metal clips. Now, the this one now we're just going to get underneath, and again you can see this little white keyboard clip holding it on. Just get underneath the bottom of it in the front, and you can pry it off. Let's see if I can get that. Yep, there we go. There's one, and we just got to get the second one now. Cool. All right, got it. Now we'll just kind of lift it up gently. There we go. Now here's the easiest part, which kind of took me a little while to figure out. So grab the control key. It's popped off. Now we're just going to place it. So let me show you the bottom of it. You can see the little keyboard clips, and those are actually what you're popping off. These little metal clips right there and there. So they hold it on. So I'm just going to place it down flat and make sure, obviously, the retaining clip is down. There we go. So that's flush. All right, just put the control key there. Make it fit. Cool. So now all we have to do is just press it down. You will hear it clicking. All right. Cool. Now, all right, perfect. Now we're just going to do the next one. Same thing. Make sure the clips are down. All right. Make sure it's every single one. Awesome. So I've switched both keys with not only the software under my settings, but also the actual hard keys as well. I searched everywhere. I couldn't find it. So kind of had to figure it out myself. So hopefully this video kind of helps everybody kind of thinking about doing the same thing. It's a super easy, quick mod, and well worth it, I think, for anybody kind of switching to Chrome OS from a MacBook like me. Cool. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the video and it was helpful. And if so, kind of give me a +1, a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.